Hello, good morning everyone. I am Shazia Khan from Kotak Education Foundation. Today here we will going to learn one interesting topic in maths. So, are you ready for that? Come on, let's start. Before that, you have to guess what I am doing here. Okay? Ready? Very good. I have one pen and one scale. Now you guess what I am doing here. What I am doing? I am measuring, right? So here I am finding the length of my pen. Very good, students. So today we will going to learn measuring length. Now what is there in my hand? This is scale, right? Very good. Now what is this? I have one big box with me. Can I measure this box by using the scale? Yes, I can measure my box with the help of scale. Let's see what is the measurement of this box. Okay, the length I have measured is more than 22 centimeter and less than 23 centimeter. How can I get the proper length of the box? Take your scale in your hand. Can you see small markings are there in the scale? Yes, very good. Now, when you see the small marking between two adjacent centimeter, so that is millimeter. Okay, that is millimeter. So here 1 centimeter is equal to centimeter can be written as millimeter cm and millimeter can be written as mm. Okay. The length I have measured is 22 centimeter and 3 small parts, right? So it means that the length I have measured is 22 centimeter and 3 millimeter, right? So here you can see I have drawn one line. I am going to find the measurement of this line. Let's see. It is, when I keep it properly here, I am going to keep at the 0 centimeter. It is 15.5. So what is that 15.5? Means 15 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Okay.
Long back, do you know how people used to measure
For
the
more
length of
understanding,
objects?
we will going to watch one video.
They
Let's
used
watch.
their palm, forearm or feet to measure the length of the objects. But these methods never gave accurate results. Nowadays, we make use of ruler, metric scale and measuring tape to measure the accurate length and height of the objects. Let us learn the correct method of using a scale. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to measure the length of objects using a ruler, measure length in meters and centimeter, understand the relation between meter and centimeter. I need 4 centimeter long paper. What will I use to measure the length? Yes, you are correct. A ruler will help me to measure length. You find many divisions on the margin of the ruler. Some lines are longer while others are smaller. The longer lines represent the number in centimeters. The small lines between two long lines represent divisions of centimeter. Now we will learn to read a scale. Example. This is 2 centimeters. This is half centimeter. Similarly, this is 4.5 centimeter. Ruku wants to measure the length of different objects. Will you help him? Click on each object to measure its length. A ruler comes in different length. The first ruler seen can measure length up to 15 centimeters. The second ruler seen can measure length up to 30 centimeters. But a ruler cannot measure all objects. Ruler is used to measure only short-length objects such as pencil, stick, notebook, duster, comb, etc. A measuring tape is used to measure long things. Your mother is in market to buy shirt cloth. Can the shopkeeper measure a shirt piece with a ruler? Yes, he can measure, but the work would be tedious and time-consuming. He measures it with the help of metric tape. It will take less time and less effort. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. We can measure the height of the almirah by using measuring tape. The height of the almirah is 200 centimeters. Therefore, we can say that the height of the almirah is 2 meters. Similarly, the length of walking stick is 100 centimeters, or we can say 1 meter. Let us compare the length of the various things. Some of the objects have their length in meters, while some of them are so small that they are measured in centimeters only. The length of a bread loaf is expressed in centimeters. The length of a matchbox is expressed in centimeters. The length of a skipping rope is expressed in meters. The length of a bus is expressed in meters. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. We use ruler, metric scale and measuring tape to measure length. Ruler is used to measure length of small objects. Length can be measured in centimeters and meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters.
Now, can I measure this dupatta using the scale? No. So what I can do, or what tool I can use to measure? I can use, what is there in my hand? It is measuring tape. So I can use this measuring tape to measure the dupatta, right? Very good. The length of the smaller object we can measure with the help of scale. But for the larger object we have to use different tools to measure it. Like measuring 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters and 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now here we will going to see one short story. Let's watch. Here is an example of conversion of meters into centimeter. First example, 2 meter is equal to 2 into 100 is equal to 200 centimeter. So in same way many examples are given here. So observe this and solve these sums in your maths notebook. And so today we have learned about measuring length.